Hi everyone, KP here, and we are looking at the Bose Ultra Open Earbuds. I was looking for a pair of earbuds that didn't sit inside my ear canal, and I settled for these ones. So let's start off with some interesting features about the earbuds. So they have all-day comfort, so you won't get ear fatigue. You get up to 7 hours of playtime. They have an IPX4 rating for water resistance, immersive audio, and Bluetooth connectivity. These earbuds are also compatible with iPhone, iPad, and Android devices. The first thing you notice when you open the box is pause for nothing and the Bose logo on the side. After opening it, there's a QR code on the side for you to scan and download their app, but we'll take a look at that in a bit. The case also gives you a sneak peek at what the earbuds will look like when you have them on. Now, when you open the box, you will see the earbud case sitting nicely inside. I opted for the copper color of the earbuds, but there is an array of colors you can choose from on the Bose website. The case the earbuds sit in is really nice. It has the name Bose written across it in the front, and underneath is a light indicator which tells you how much battery is left on the case. On the back, there is a button that helps you connect your earbuds to your device via Bluetooth. When you open the case and pull out the earbuds, there is a speaker that goes next to your ear canal, and on the back is the control along with a label on the back to let you know which earbud goes on which ear. And when you're done, they just snap back into the case. Now let's look at the Bose application. After you download it and set up everything, you will be taken to the screen that gives you a full layout of your earbuds. At the top, you'll see how much charge is in your earbuds. Under that is volume control. Then you have several different options to choose from. Modes determine what type of environment you're in. You can also adjust your equalizer to fit your style of listening. And lastly, there is immersive audio, where you don't feel like you are wearing earbuds, but instead you feel like you're listening to a speaker and you are in that sweet spot for the audio. I tried these on and I will say they sound great. They are perfect if you are listening to your favorite podcast, like my co-host Morgan's Wannabes podcast with her co-hosts Dreaded and Luke, or if you just want to sit back and chill with your favorite song. The sound isn't interrupted even though you can hear everything around you. These are going to be great for anyone on the go or if you're just doing everyday activities. I do recommend though getting a case so you don't lose them while you're on the go.